Hey everyone, welcome to the Valor channel. Today I'll show how to restrict folder or drive access for users on Windows 11. First, choose the folder or drive you want to restrict. I'll demonstrate using drive D as an example. Let's open the command prompt. We'll start by deciding which user to restrict. Type net users in the command line. This will show all our users. Let's say I want to restrict this user's access. You might have different users on your system. Select the drive, right-click, and choose Properties. Properties. Click Security, then edit Add User and enter their name. Select users from the list. Click OK, choose the user, and edit their access rights. To restrict access, uncheck all boxes and click Apply. That's it. This was Valor. Like and subscribe to the channel. Valor signing off. Bye.